In this video, we are going to see how we can apply a particular formatting to, let's say, a single word in the Microsoft document. So let's say I want this word to stand out of the whole document. So what I'll do is just select this and I will go to the Home tab. And from here, I can make all of these customizations. Let's say I want to make it bold, italic, or let's say underline as well. And at the same time, I want to change the color to, let's say, blue. And I also want to increase the size of it. So since I have made all of these customizations, let's change the writing style as well. Let's change it to Calibri font. Now rest of the document is Times New Roman, while this one is on Calibri font. By the way, guys, if you have auto hidden menu enabled, what you can do is just go to the corner under any tab, whether it's Home tab, Insert tab, and then just click on this arrow style and select Always Show Ribbon. Then it will show. Now guys, let's say that this is the final formatting that I want, but I don't want to do it over and over again. Rather, I want to do the same formatting for some main words in the document. So what I'll do is I'll just select this and I basically want to copy the formatting. So I'll click on Format Painter. Now, if you click it once, it will allow you to paste it once on any word or sentence you want. As you can see, the brush sign is here along with the cursor. So let's say I want the innovation to be highlighted. So once I select this whole area, it will be exactly formatted like that. But at the same time, you will see now the cursor sign is turned to normal and it is not marked as Format Painter. So now it will not apply it to any other word. So if I want to copy the same formatting and apply to multiple areas, so what I'll do is I'll just double click on the Format Painter and then we can continuously apply to all the specific areas where we want the same formatting. And once we are done with it, I'll just press Escape and it will turn to normal. The cursor will turn to normal. So these are all the basic formatting and the use of Format Painter in Microsoft Word. Just try it by yourself and I will see you in the next one.